Love to eat out? Your Amex card can be your best dining companion, earning you piles of points on every meal. Here's how to maximize them. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. It starts with choosing the right card. The Amex Gold Card is the undisputed champion, earning 4x points at restaurants worldwide, including takeout and delivery. That's 4 times the base rate. Next, enroll in Amex Offers. Regularly check your Amex Offers tab in your account or app. You'll often find statement credits or bonus points for specific restaurants or chains like Shake Shack or Grubhub, stacking on top of your card's multiplier. My crucial pro tip: link your card to food delivery apps. For cards that offer credits, like the Platinum's Uber Cash, make sure your Amex is the payment method in your Uber Eats or Grubhub account. This ensures you automatically use your monthly credits and still earn the card's points on the full amount. Earn points where you're already spending money, effortlessly. What's your go-to card for restaurant spending? The Gold, or something else? For more guides on earning while you spend, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.